Recovery and movement preparation during a taper. So guidelines in the final week. Pre-training, again, this should be pretty familiar to you guys. Taking your body through all the degrees of freedom, remembering that a degree of freedom is, we talked about shoulder flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, horizontal adduction, adduction, internal, external rotation. Taking your body through all the degrees of freedom of all of the exercises that you're performing. And this happens as part of your taper, but this should also happen as part of your general regular training as well. Post-training, specific corrective exercises, your movement therapy stuff, which we've been able to put together based on the work you guys have done this weekend. The release techniques to promote your recovery, whether it be a fascia, whether it be foam rolling, trigger point, ball work, any sort of deep tissue massage release. 2 days prior, you should be doing this full pre and post exercise routine as what you're doing. So you don't necessarily need to train. So it's not pre-exercise routine, train post-exercise routine. You can do your pre-exercise routine to get moving, then your post-exercise routine to help to recover your body. So the same stuff you'd be doing before and after training is really handy to do just as recovery leading into a competition.